Hi, I'm Lucky Nagarajan. I'm the General Manager of Giken America Corporation. Giken was founded in 1967 as a civil engineering company to solve social problems caused because of construction works. In 1975, the world's first reaction-based hydraulic pile jacking machine called Silent Piler was invented. When I say social problems, I'm basically talking about the noise, vibration-free piling, which is very important to construction, to reduce the severe construction pollution. This was definitely a turning point in innovation that changed piling industry for sure. Since then, Giken has continued to bring new construction methods and new technology as a development-based company. It is not just about the construction pollution when you say free piling. It is also the technology that helps elimination of work platforms by the Grb system, reducing of the carbon monoxide emission, workforce reduction, and reduction of the construction period and cost. This achieves high safety and construction quality. Giken also advocates for the 5 construction principles: environmental protection, safety, speed, economy, and aesthetics. These are the requirements to realize the ideal form of construction work, which is seen from people's perspectives and also contributes towards the efficient and success of any project. We are continually advocating for new construction methods. One example I would say is the implant barriers, reinforced by installing pile materials using implant method. With high rigidity, the embankment can withstand earthquakes, tsunamis, and floods, which is a major problem in many parts of the world to this day. So I want to talk about the Grb system, which is the Giken reaction-based system. This is also known as non-staging method or footprint-free method, in which all the steps, including transportation, pitching, and installation of piles, are completed on the piling itself. This enables substantial elimination of temporary work, which in turn reduces construction costs and time. We are actively and passionately working on many projects around the world. USA, Japan, Asia, Europe, Australia, and South America are just a few examples. One of the projects that is very fascinating to me is disaster recovery project in Kagoshima Prefecture in Japan. Steel tubular piles were installed by gyropress method as an earth retaining wall. The key feature of the project was to use the non-staging method, which could work on a slope near the bottom of the bare abutment. Another project is landslide prevention project for Kyushu Shinkansen. Owner was Japan Railway Construction, Transport and Technology Agency. Tubular piles 1200 millimeter in diameter was installed at extra wide intervals with skip lock attachment, which allows gyropilers to maintain its continuous reaction base. This is very unique. Access constraints was a major reason for choosing this gyropress and Grb system on this project. Another project that is in focus right now is barrier wall project around Itabira city in Belo Horizonte in Brazil. The barrier wall is being constructed as we speak around the existing mining tailing dam to contain the tailings in the event of dam break and safeguard the Itabira city. In USA, we are working on few interesting projects. We are looking to start 2 iconic projects in New York City. One is East Side Coastal Resiliency Project, which is a coastal protection initiative jointly funded by the City of New York and federal government. This is to reduce flood risk due to coastal storms and sea level rise on Manhattan's east side. Gowanus Canal is another project which is focused on the remediation of the canal under comprehensive environmental response due to heavy contamination. Canaris Tunnel Rehabilitation and Core Capacity Improvement Project with Metropolitan Transportation Authority, New York City Transit was a big milestone for us. This was completed 2 years ago. Press-in method was utilized to avoid any damages to the existing utilities and structures as this was in dense urban environment. Also, piling was carried out during night shift and low noise was seen beneficial. This is very crucial in urban areas when you're using sheet pile driving or any kind of piling driving. Sheet pile was also installed in this project in lieu of secant wall system. Last year, we got an opportunity to attend 7th International Seminar on Disaster Prevention in Brazil. Focus was on the lessons learned from the Brumadinho failure and moving forward to avoid a disaster and safeguard the human population. This was definitely an eye-opening for us, and we were able to understand the gravity of the landslide and dam safety challenges in Brazil. It was great to see that extraordinary efforts were put in by government agencies, consulting, and contractors to look for innovative structures to be built to avoid what happened at Brumadinho. This spiked our interest in advocating for our technology, which is extensively used for tsunami walls. Why not use it as an option for barrier walls? Also, we are focused in advocating our technology on other foundation application challenges in Brazil. Tunneling conference is very important to us as it is focusing on innovative engineering and construction for a better future. Attending tunneling conference will help us learn the challenges in construction industry in Brazil and also connect with the industry experts to share our technology. Present technology is unique and innovative, and we believe is something that will help to build a better future.